Yes, taxes. Taxes is definitely something that gets left out of the equation a lot. So I don't know what you guys think about these quartiles that we talked about, 101 to 150, 151 to 200K. You know, I would assume that most of the respondents for this survey were based in New York. And New York has notoriously high taxes, some of the highest taxes in the whole United States, right? So it wouldn't surprise. So believe it or not, even at the quartile of 150 to 200K, living in New York, that's really not a fantastic wage. Don't misunderstand me. Obviously, you're not going to be homeless. You're gonna be able to pay your bills, but that's not somebody, especially with a family, who's going to be, living in anything remotely near a glamorous way, right? You'll have your bills paid. You'll be able to live and sustain yourself. But for example, you're probably not going to be adding too much to your savings. You're probably not going to be taking a lot of extravagant vacations, Not going to be a whole lot left over. Again, especially if you have kids, at the end of each month. So taxes is definitely something we should consider in all of these numbers. So thanks for bringing that up, Abe. All right, so let's keep going. Because again, I don't think there's anything fantastic in the benefits. So the full suite of benefit results are the following. Okay. So 36% are offered some sort of share, company shares or equity. Staff discounts, 33%. Extra holiday is 30%. Tuition reimbursement, 25%. I'm surprised that number isn't higher.